So funny. So I just got some bedding put down for them because it's been raining and storming nonstop for a couple of days. And it's still not perfect. I asked them to spread it some more. I come over here and they're all laying over there in that pile. Like they're ready a dirt bath. Like, it's nice and dry finally. But then I was picking these and he told them all about it before I gave it to him. He did. I'm going to give it to you. It's just going to fall on your heads. It's going to fall on your head, baby. I'm sorry. Okay. I mean, I think you can get that down anyway, but... Yeah, you guys are beautiful. You sure are. Do you want this one? How about you? I could probably be sitting in there with them. Yeah, I just finished emptying a whole bag of the pine shavings out. All the different areas. And it decided to get sunny on me. I was like, I'm going to sit here and relax with them. I had my hoodie on when I came out here. And it was a thick hoodie too. But I sit down here, I'm like, nope, I gotta get the hoodie off. Turkey's got their wormies, but they're over here to see if the chickens are getting more wormies. Yeah, they had straw out here, but it was not enough. I don't like that straw, so we're back to the bed, pine bedding, shavings. Don't you? I see you looking at my fingers and my phone like, can I pick it? This is why I'm on this side of the fence. I don't trust roosters anymore. I know, you're a really good boy and you're beautiful. You just want to protect your girls. I know. It's not your fault. My fingers look very tasty. I've heard this before. Yeah, from another rooster. Look at your brother. He's got more of the tan coming in. I don't know if that's going to stay. You look like your daddy. I'm probably going to have to try to find homes for some of these. They're so beautiful. We got pine shavings in the water. That's not a good view. Sorta. I gotta get some of the pine shavings in the house too. This is too cute. I don't know if I get them. I'm gonna have to go around the other way. One second. Make sure. Oh no, this is not the best view. It's also not the best seat because he got up. He was laying there on the red, looking super cute. Oh, he's gonna lay down again. Yeah, like it's sunny over here. It's dry again. They just want to sun and dry out.